Hello friends, this is Leni Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today we will review Etude House Drawing Eyebrow with their new formula in the shade 07 Bright Brown. It comes in a pen shape and is thicker than before. It claims to naturally color eyebrows just like your brows and contains vitamin E to moisturize your brows for a softer look. It has a spoolie at one end and a twist open eyebrow pencil on the other side. It has a teardrop type shape. It is an orange brown color that is not very pigmented. I have naturally dark brown eyebrows, but my hair is blonde. So I got this to match my hair as this is the lightest shade available. I am not a makeup artist and I don't know how to do eyebrows. So I will just fill in my eyebrows according to what feels okay to me. The shape of this pencil is helping in creating both precise and thick strokes. The pencil has a waxy feeling. It is gliding on smoothly and it's hard to mess it up since it colors and blends very naturally. Don't you guys think so? Comment below and let me know what do you think about it so far. This spoolie is really soft and is blending everything nicely. It is working well in positioning the hair in one direction. Unfortunately, it has removed the color completely from my bald spot. So I will go over with the pencil here again. Besides that, Etude House pencil gives a very natural look and filling to the eyebrows. If anyone knows how to do eyebrows, then they can make it work better like pony syndrome as well. It is great for everyday quick makeup and an amateur like me can use it easily. It doesn't causes any irritation and it doesn't has any funny smell. Also, it is travel friendly. I will rate this 4/5 and will definitely recommend you all to try it. If you like my video, then don't forget to like and comment as this is going to help me in video algorithm. Please help my channel grow if you like my content. Love yourself. Bye.